Want to create a professional Instagram page for your business? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap Create New Account. Use your business email or phone number, then tap Next. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Set a strong password and tap Next. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. Add your business name as the full name. Choose a unique username that matches your brand. Make sure you see the green tick mark for availability. Tap Next and agree to Instagram's terms and conditions. Add a profile picture and tap Done. You can also add contacts or follow suggestions if needed. Now your basic account is ready. Go to your profile and tap the menu icon at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy, then tap Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Choose your business category and professional type, then tap Next. Enter your contact info, email, business address, and phone number, and tap Next. Connect your Facebook page for better business reach. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, then select your category and toggle Display on Profile. You can also add a bio and website link to make your business page more complete. And that's it! Your Instagram business page is ready to use.